How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today I'm going to be talking about EOS. EOS was one of our major picks for 2022, and like the rest of the crypto market, it didn't really perform as well as we were hoping. So today we got some really huge news for EOS, and it resulted in a 24% pump. And we're going to be talking about that today and what it means for the future of EOS itself. Before we get into the video, I just had a question for you guys. Do you hold EOS? Why or why not? Just let me know in the comments down below. And also be sure to like and subscribe if you want more daily crypto content, education, and analysis. Let's dive right into it. So I'm going to Quentin Tarantino this article real quick. We're actually going to go towards the end and then start up at the beginning after that. I just wanted to show the controversy behind EOS before we get into the solution and why this article is so important. EOS famously raised a record-breaking $4 billion through its initial coin offering in 2017, but faced criticism after failing to live up to its promises. The EOS token has also underperformed those of other Layer 1 blockchains and has never broken its 2018 all-time high price. Although EOS has attracted prominent backers such as PayPal's co-founder Peter Thiel, an internal struggle between the blockchain's developer Block.one and the nonprofit EOS Foundation has weighed on the project. Under LaRosa's leadership, the EOS Foundation has worked to sever ties with Block.one. In February, LaRosa announced that the foundation would seek legal recourse against Block.one for what it has called negligence and fraud following the EOS ICO. The EOS community has also voted to stop issuing vested EOS tokens to Block.one in late 2021, claiming that the company had failed to deliver on its promises for EOS. So essentially, Block.one made a huge amount of promises that they just could not keep, and it resulted in basically fraud. And since then, Block.one has been taking a lot of money from EOS, accepting new coins as they come in. But the EOS community has since voted to stop issuing those tokens to Block.one, therefore completely severing ties with the original creator of EOS. All right, Tarantinoing, back up to the top. EOS rallies 24% ahead of the Antelope rebrand. The proof-of-stake blockchain is set to reveal its new branding as the project moves to distance itself from previous developer Block.one. As it said, the EOS blockchain is rebranding. The EOS Foundation also plans to hard fork the EOS blockchain on September 21st. Mark your calendar, September 21st, all of you EOS holders. An early Wednesday tweet from the EOS Network Foundation has revealed that its long-awaited EOS rebrand is imminent. Who is ready for the EOSIO rebrand? 15 hours. Tick-tock. Read a Wednesday tweet implying that the foundation's rebrand would go live today at around 16 UTC. That's about 4 o'clock p.m. The foundation CEO Yves Larose hinted that EOS rebrand would launch this week on August 15th, but it was only after EOS Foundation's tweet that the market entered an EOS buying frenzy. EOS has jumped over 24% since it was first posted, making it one of the best performing crypto tokens of the past 24 hours, according to CoinGecko. Here's a quick chart right here. We saw a massive jump right about here. Boom. Just a major rally for EOS. This has been a huge relief, as a lot of EOS holders know. It has not been easy through this bear market. So with that information, let's check out the charts here. Right now, you can see this massive pump right here. Let's check it out just to confirm that 24%, the price range, boom, all the way up to here. We actually got above 34% in the past, 16 hours from here down to here. That is an incredible pump. Right now, we're sitting at about 27% from the bottom candle. And we just got a strong sell signal from our Trade Confident top and bottom finder indicator. Now, we did get a buy signal right here. This was completely unrelated to the news. No indicator can mess with fundamental analysis. So if there's major news announcements, indicators will never be able to predict that. So it's very important to pay attention to fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis. The way I like to think about it, fundamentals will tell you which direction the market's going to go, and technical analysis will give you a more fine print where it's actually going to fall. So you can use fundamentals to say, oh, it's going to go up, and then you can use technical analysis to say, there's a resistance right here. It's probably going to stop there. Checking it out right here, with this strong sell signal, we fell within a red liquidity pool. This means there's a lot of short trades going on here. And we had major red bars from the TC market reversal chart. This was a massive sell opportunity right after this pump. And it does look like we're getting some continued bullish momentum, so that'll be interesting to see. Right now, I'm personally not taking any trades on EOS. If you are able to short trade, this could be a good opportunity. Absolutely not financial advice, just opinions. So all trades are at your own risk, of course. So I just wanted to show this off right here. Massive, massive pump. As for the rebrand, I think this is going to be really big for EOS. I think this is going to be a major step and a major, major comeback. The Antelope protocol and the hard fork that went with it completely booted Block.one off of its chain. And this means that they are now a completely separate entity. It means that they're going to be able to do the development that they originally hoped and follow up on the promises made by Block.one. If this happens and if they are successful, I think that EOS will easily reach its new all-time highs in the next bull run after we get out of this bear market. Now, if you want to trade along with us, you're going to head over to tradeconfident.io. We'll be leaving links in the description for your convenience. You're going to be able to see our scalping record right here using these indicators. Although just for transparency, a lot of these trades did happen based on the trend exhaustion and price versus while money flow. These last couple of trades were actually based on this new TC top and bottom finder. I also want to clarify, there's been a lot of comments. The trend exhaustion and price versus while money flow have not lost any of their effectiveness. They are still just as powerful as indicators as they were before. We just feel that the TC top and bottom finder is even more powerful. Now, you can use them in combination. You don't have to use the market reversal chart in order to trade with the TC top and bottom finder. If you want to use confirmation, you can use any of the trade confident indicators you have. Getting back into this, we are 440% in profit against the S&P 500 in just a total of 91 days. For those that don't know, the S&P 500 on average returns 10% every single year. And in that same amount of time, we've managed to make 44% profit in just 91 days. So in a quarter of a year, we've made 44% profit versus the S&P 500's 10% every year. And if you're wanting to follow along with our trades, all you're going to have to do is watch our strategy video here. It'll explain exactly how we're using these indicators and metrics to trade. You're going to grab a membership. We just reduced the price to $75 a month. And on top of that, we made major improvements, including these new charts, and we added stocks and new crypto charts for a total of 40 charts overall. The membership will also give you access to all trade calls we make, our masterclass training courses, the community chat so you can talk to like-minded traders, and live coaching every single month. Lastly, you're going to join our Telegram. This is where you're going to be getting all of your alerts. If you want to grab the indicators you saw in this video, you're going to head over to the indicators tab. These are just released. You're just going to click on this link and you'll gain access to the brand new TC top and bottom finder and TC market reversal charts. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.